exciting action over there. A giant flock of cormorants in the water, and a bunch of these egrets and 3 or 4 herons. All the egrets and herons won't let the flock of cormorants out of the water. They keep flying down. Oh, what was that guy? Is that a wood stork? What is that guy?
Had inside black.
Hey, yeah, he was inside black. Maybe he was an ibis. Maybe that was an ibis. Yeah, they're all down here now. They keep going down farther and they keep harassing each other. I don't think the cranes like the cormorants. They won't let them up onto the bank. They keep going around the whole lake. That's funny. Oh yeah, that is an ibis. Oh, it might be a wood crane, but I think it's an ibis. And a blue heron and 2 egrets. They keep going down and those poor little cormorants can't go onto the...
Oh, there's a place. I see it.
There you go. Birds are territorial.
Oh my gosh, see?
Yeah, those cranes are super territorial.
They just don't want them to go. There's that.
Yeah, I think that's an ibis. But it could be a wood crane.
Shavy, what are you doing?
That's a wood crane.
I bet that's an ibis. It's an ibis.